See you. And the oil drain plug is this weird thing right there. So you can get that out with a flathead screwdriver. That. And turn clockwise, counterclockwise. Righty tighty, lefty loosey, basically. And it's gonna start leaking out. There it is. And then you just take it out by hand the rest of the way without getting oil everywhere. I'll be right back. Alright, once your drain plug's tightened all the way, it basically falls into this little notch right here. Falls into the notch, and then that's basically it. You shouldn't go anymore because you will snap this because this is plastic. Alright, let's go.